Well, in this session, we will be talking about image to motion, that how you can generate the motion clip with the help of the image. So you can animate your any image which you want to make a video. Yes, with the AI we can do this. So the platform which we are using for the AI generation. So once we come to the screen, here we can see the option is called motion. So in the motion, so there are like two three ways from this platform that you can make it motions. Either you come to the home page or click to the motion here, right? Or you can click from the AI tool from the left side panel also, uh, motion, or any image which you have in your community creation or in your personal feed also. So let's say there is an image which I want to animate. If I scroll from the community creation, so let's say I want to um, make a motion clip for this image. So for doing it, I just simply come to the this post, and this is the option is here, image to motion. So once I click to this, then it will ask me all the options to do this, right? So the image which have been selected, I can even select any other image as well, either from my creations, or I can click see more. So once I click to the see more, it will be showing the uploads which I have been done yet, or my generations, means your generations from your profile account itself. Or you either you can select from the community field, or your followers, like to whom you are following itself. So I will continue with the community creation, the image which I have been selected. So the same image I have selected from the community feed, right? So this is one of the option we have, right? The second option for doing it, the motion strength. So the motion strength is something that you want to know that at what level the image should be moving or should have an animation for the uh, motion clip. So I will try to keep it like as much as motions as possible. Yeah. And then one more option is for only premium accounts with this platform, which is private mode. So it will be a private, and the motion will be as much as possible with this image. So it will consume 25 tokens to generate this motion, as simple it is. So I will click to the generate motions. So the video generation have been started, and once it will be completed, so it will be shown to the personal feed, right? So I will um, right, so I will come to my personal feeds, and within few seconds it will be showing there. So this is one of the option. Wherever you click, it will take you to the same screen. Even if I click to the motion, so then it will be bring to me to the same um, procedure to create a motion. Even if I click to the left side also, it will make the same. So meanwhile, we'll be going to check. I'm going to check the my personal feeds. So for now, the motion which I have been created, it's being created already. So now let's see how it's look like. Yes, so you can see the motion have been generated to the selected image. It's very interesting. So this is our first image to motion clip, and even you can simply download this from this download button here, right? And you can see that what resolution you have been, and how many the versions you have. So yeah, this is very interesting. And similarly, you can select any image you like, either from your computer or from the community, and you can create an image generation. So see you in the next session.